Welcome to the Million Dollar Agent podcast, where we dive deep into the strategies, the stories, and the successes of some of today's great minds, top producing agents that have really formulated not only their lives, but the agents around them. So I'm your host, Kim Barber, and today we're going to dive into investing, building wealth as a real estate agent through investments of real estate. So if you already have heard some of this, from maybe one of my other podcasts, this is too valuable for you to miss. We are going to be talking with Michael Hellickson, and he is not just a highly successful real estate agent. He's a powerhouse. He's a coach. He owns and helped build or owns Club Wealth. And so in his Club Wealth, he's a coach in how to build wealth with real estate agents. And also in here, we're going to dive deep into when you as an agent, what are the benefits of you becoming an investor, and how can you really use the tax codes to your advantage when you do this, that helps you with your federal taxes, with you building generational wealth. So let's dive in. This is an important area that not many people talk about. So let's just jump in.
That brings us to, I think, our final point, which I think is very important. It's not just about making money selling real estate, guys. And when we talk about the blueprint to millions, selling real estate, you can make millions selling real estate, but you're never going to really build wealth selling real estate.
Right.
You build wealth buying real estate and keeping
the
it.
Investor, right?
Absolutely. It kills me, Kim. There's this waterfall of money. It's just flowing right next to these agents, and most of them aren't even getting wet. They're not even getting a little bit wet. What they need to do is
somebody else. Like, hey,
yeah.
get in
You
the
guys gotta
arena.
what's that?
Get in the arena. Like
Yeah, I like
your clients, you have to get in the arena of that being you. Is that what you're saying?
That's absolutely what I'm saying. And I always tell people you need to become your own best client, right? If you can become your own best client, you will one day be able to retire with far more money than you ever thought possible. And it will continue to grow. And by the way, it'll grow tax-free. I mean, in fact, I can tell you this. I'll bet most of the people watching this paid federal income tax in the last 3 years. Guess what? I haven't. I haven't paid a lick of taxes since 2022, and I probably won't pay taxes the rest of my life, strictly based on the amount of real estate that I own.
A lot of people are like, I hear that, and I'm not comfortable with it, but the benefits are in the favor of owning real estate, right? That's why people who have a lot of wealth own real estate. Is that like maybe you could just give people a couple? Like
oh, here we go.
I'm an investor.
We're going to the whiteboard.
Yeah, let's go to the whiteboard.
Are we publishing this as a video or as an audio, or both? Okay. So I'll read this out. So I want you guys to listen to me carefully. And those of you that are able to see this on video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to never pay taxes again. Okay.
Yeah,
especially if you're a full-time real estate professional. Okay. But first and foremost, when I buy houses, so let's say I buy a $500,000 house, and let's just call it a vanilla deal, right? I put 20% down on a $500,000 house, right? Very easy to do. Instantly, I've got cash flow from day one, super straightforward. And I'm also going to get these great tax benefits. And so what do the tax benefits look like? Well, here's what they look like. On that $500,000 house, about $100,000 of that is going to be the value of the land. And then $400,000 of that is going to be the value of the improvement on the land. And the government says, hey, look, we get it. That $100,000 land value, that's going up in value. We're not going to give you a benefit for that. But the $400,000 in the improvement, that's the house, the apartment, the office, the oil well, whatever's built on the land, right? That's the improvement. Well, we recognize that's going to go down in value, right? So tell you what we're going to do. Right? Yeah. What's that?
Because it's like aging, depreciation.
Yeah, right. Like the carpet wears out, the roof wears out, the whatever. And so we're going to give you a tax benefit for that. So we're going to let you take that $400,000 and we're going to let you claim depreciation. So we're going to let you take that $400,000, divide it by 27 and a half. And every year for the next 27 and a half years, you get that amount of money deducted from your income tax. Sorry, I should say from your taxable income each year, right? And so essentially, if I'm in let's call it a 35 to 48% tax bracket, that's going to save me somewhere between $6,700 and $7,500 a year that I will not pay in taxes because I bought that one house. So if I had $70,000 in taxes I needed to not pay, right? So if, like, say I'm paying 70 grand in taxes, I want to not have to pay that in the future, I would need to own 10 houses. And then guess what? Now I'm not paying any taxes. But it gets better, right? Watch this. For those of you watching that are full-time real estate professionals, and by the way, full-time to the government just means 3.5 hours a day, 5 days a week, for 750 total hours per year. Not too hard, right? Pretty easy. All right, now watch this.
Check the box, yes.
Yeah, right, exactly. And so for everybody who qualifies under that, like him, love him, hate him, call him the felon, call him the misogynist, call him the orange man. I don't care what you call him. I call him Donald freaking J. Trump, the guy that makes me even richer. Well, let me show you how this guy makes us all richer, right? Because in 2021, he got something passed called accelerated or bonus depreciation. Okay. Now that accelerated bonus depreciation says that instead of writing that $400,000 off over 27.5 years, I can write 81.9% of that off in years 1 to 15, most of that in year 1. Wait a minute, what? Yeah, so I can accelerate the tax benefit that I'm getting, right? So I can take it sooner. What that means is when I was buying houses, and this took effect in 2022. So when I was buying houses in 2022, I could get 100% of that benefit, which meant that instead of, let's say I bought that same house, I put $100,000 down. Year 1, I'm writing off $145,000 off my taxable income. Wait a minute, what? Yeah, I'm deducting $145,000 from my taxable income year 1 on that particular house. So literally, I was getting a bigger tax deduction than I was actually putting as a down payment. Now, that's not actual tax savings. The amount of money I saved on my taxes, the amount of money that I didn't pay in taxes now, would have been about $67,000 to $75,000 that I'm not going to pay in taxes that year because of that one house. And then the next year it goes to like 17,000, then it goes down to 12,000. So for years 2 through 5, it's like 17,500 or something like that. And then year 6 through 15, it goes down to like 12, and then it goes down from there. But my
It's
whole
like a percentage,
correct.
higher
There's a
chunk
formula.
and then a scale,
That's right.
Yeah.
And so at the end of the day, though, what that means is like I'm saving all of this freaking money. I mean, it is insane. So I get massive tax benefits and I get them now. Now, that number dropped down in 2022, 3. I could only take 80% of the benefit in years 1 to 15. And then the other 20% I had to take over the 27.5 years. So
Okay.
it's not like I don't get to take all of the deduction. It's just that I can only accelerate 80% of it in
80%.
23. In 24, I was allowed to accelerate 60%. 25, this year we can accelerate 40%. 26, we can accelerate 20%. And then 27, it goes to 0. But who's in the White House? Who controls Congress?
Right.
Well, maybe not to this week, but who controls the Senate, right?
Depending on when you're
Think about
listening.
this, right? It's
Yeah.
Donald J. Trump. And so everybody's saying, look, we think it's going to go back to 100%. But guys, here's where it
It's
gets
going to
really
reset
so
the tax law, which obviously was like a 5-year,
that's
6-year,
right. That's exactly right. But
design for whatever reason.
well, because he had to
Lots of
negotiate with the
reasons.
Democrats. It was the Democrats. I can tell you right now. They didn't like it, and so they're like, okay, we'll compromise. This is what we'll do. But anyway, check this out. Here's where it gets really cool. I'll bet there are people watching this or listening to this right now who are a real estate agent, or they fit one of the loopholes, which I'll give you in a minute. And you guys have owned rental properties for a couple of years, 2, 3 years maybe, and you did not accelerate the taxes on those properties.
Yeah.
Guys, did you know what would you say if I could help you get back all of the money you paid in taxes in the last 3 years? Well, here's what you do. You can amend your tax returns.
Okay.
You go back in and you amend your 22 tax return or your 23 or your 24, and you'll be amazed at how much of this money you can get back. Now, I'll tell you this. If you're using some H&R Block accountant, when by the way, if you're using H&R Block to do your taxes, you deserve to be broke. Okay, let's just put all that out there. Sorry, it is what it is.
Sorry,
Right?
or any of the other, like you have to step up into somebody that also knows these laws. There's nothing wrong with asking the questions to
That's
make
right.
sure people are paying attention to it.
So I literally pay $22,000 a year in tax prep. but I pay zero in taxes. Is it worth $22,000 a year to not pay taxes when I own a whole bunch of big businesses and a whole bunch of rental properties and all this stuff? I got
Complicated.
very complicated returns.
Yep.
It is totally worth it for me. I'm saving millions of dollars. And by the way, what if the normal person watching this, you guys might pay $2,000 a year for a really good accountant to do your
Sure.
taxes and to accelerate the depreciation. And guess what? Now you'd not be paying any taxes potentially. That is such a big deal.
Worth the investment.
Oh, yes, absolutely. Absolutely. And
Yep.
so now let me end with this. Can I give you one last tidbit before I got to wrap
Yeah,
up?
that's
Okay,
right.
so most crappy accountants, they'll tell you, oh, but what if you want to sell the house in 5 years? Then you have to do what's called depreciation recapture, which means you have to pay back the tax benefits you got. Well, that's not entirely true. There's actually two ways to avoid ever paying that back. Number one, do a 1031 tax deferred exchange. Roll that into the next property. Super
Mhm.
easy. Let's say that you don't want to do that. Well, great. The easiest way to not pay any depreciation recapture on this is just die. Oh, now
Oh
what?
my God.
What if
How about
die?
just move into it, live in it for a couple years?
Well, you could do that, but watch this. When you
Just
die,
die.
I keep my property. I don't sell my stuff. I keep my
Listen,
stuff
people, we're
there.
not talking about going out and like, we're just
No,
talking
no, no, no,
about
not at
like
all. Not at all. No,
duration,
no pew
right?
pews here. No, definitely not that. But watch this. When I die, that $500,000 house, by the time I die, it's probably gonna be worth $2 million, right?
Let's hope. Yep.
And when my kids inherit that property, not only do they not have to pay the depreciation recapture, they get something called a stepped up basis, which means now they get to redepreciate that property from the new $2
Oh,
million
wow.
value.
Boom.
Say goodbye to inheritance tax, right? I mean, you've just offset so much. Guys, this is one of the many ways,
How
and there's
people
more. I
work.
don't have time to teach you today, but there are more ways that the rich just keep getting richer. But one of the smartest things I ever said by a politician was when Donald Trump was debating Hillary Clinton, and Hillary said, "You're a crook because you don't pay taxes." You remember what Donald said? He says, no, 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 that doesn't make me a crook.
I'm
That
following the
makes me
tax code.
smart.
Yep.
I'm following the tax code you and your people put in place. And by
Yep.
the way, so are all your donors. They're all doing the same
That's
thing.
right.
So are you. And so if
So
you
are
don't
you.
like it, don't hate the player, hate the
Right.
game, change
That's
the
right.
rules. But you won't. Why? Because you would lose every donor you have if you got rid of this. And so, guys, I'm telling you right now, you can either take advantage of the system or you can be taken advantage of by the system. It's up to you.
So
So.
I want to ask a quick question
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then in case, listening. So let's say that you own a property, you bought it
Hmm.
4 or 5 years ago,
Yep,
before this went into effect, you've already started the depreciation cycle. Can you take that property and then throw it into this?
absolutely.
Okay,
Absolutely 100%.
ask your
You can,
accountant.
yeah, your CPA can work with you on that. They'll have to put some formula to it, right? To figure out how much of it, they've already depreciated. Now, how much they have left that they can accelerate the depreciation on? It's actually not as complicated as it sounds. It's complicated if you're not a CPA, but
Right.
it's not complicated for a good CPA. It's very straightforward. But yeah, you can absolutely go back and amend that, and you'd be floored at how much money you get back on your taxes.
Yeah. No, I love it. I
Yeah.
mean, so it's how to make money, how to make wealth in your life now, generational wealth,
Yep.
with investing, like become your own. And for me, like it's like agent, investor, coach. And
Yep.
then it's also like how do you go from 0 to 25? How do you go from 25 to 75? How do you go on? All the different tips that we put in here. Like I love it, and there's so much value from somebody who's walked the walk, helped people walk the walk, and then also take it to, now I'm going to, teach you, which is goes into club wealth, right? So that's the name of your business. Like, why don't you, how will people get a hold of you? Please share that. And then I know you got to get to the airport because you're a busy man. So let's tell people how to get a hold of you.
All right, I'll tell you what. Here's the easiest thing to do. All right. Anybody that is, I'll give your viewers and listeners a freebie. How's that?
Perfect.
I'm going to give
You
you
like
guys a
freebies.
list of 31 of my favorite lead sources. Okay. All you gotta do is send a text message to 727. By the way, this is called an ethical bribe,
Yeah.
right? So I'm
Lead
going to give you
magnet.
some. It is. It absolutely it is. Yeah. So text 727-287-5993. Text the words club Wealth, 2 words, capital C, capital W, Club Wealth. Text that to 727-287-5993. And my system will automatically send you the lead sources list. And if you want to, you can follow me on social media. I'm all over Facebook. Just look up Michael Hellickson on Facebook. It's pretty hard to miss me. If you're going to get offended by politics when I start talking conservative, crazy politics, well, then probably not going to be the right fit for you.
Yeah, yeah, and here's what's up, it's if you want to go from, be successful, if you want to, generate wealth, then you got to think about things like this. What are the policies? What are the things that impact you? So, I like it, live in your beliefs. That's fine. So, I like that. And I know your Facebook group is super popular. Look for you
Yeah.
there. And then you go around the country doing events. So look for you there, but find you. And
Yeah.
I know your website talks about all your coaching. So good.
Yeah, you just go to clubwealth.com and we're on there.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of free videos on there that you can watch that are just that, some you look at those videos and you're like, there's no way it's this simple. No, it actually is. It's
Yeah.
just the
Sometimes
thing is that
we
most agents won't put the work in.
Right. That's right. Rewind, play, especially on this investment stuff. So
Yeah.
I appreciate you coming here on our
Thanks for having
podcast
me.
and love it. I wish you I know you're a road warrior going out there helping tons of agents. So let's stay connected. Let's catch up. And for everybody else, please stay tuned in, subscribe, all the things that you do depending on where you're listening. And we'll catch you on the next one. All right.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much, Kim. You
Thanks,
bet.
Michael. All right.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.